Yes, congratulations for actually landing on my page. In the next couple of minutes, I will be taking you step by step on how to design pitch roof truss and fixed truss specifically, using design aids and SAP 2021. But before I proceed, let me first introduce myself. I am right here in front of you and I am Engineer Semi Olawuni Wale. I serve as a graduate civil engineer for over 6 years at Pamtech Global Investment Limited, a consulting building and structural engineering firm located at Gbemu Junction, Gbemu Osogbo, Osun State. In 2018, I registered Sema Build Struct Global Limited with CAC as a limited liability company, and in 2020, I founded Sema Build Struct Institute, a subsidiary of Sema Build Struct Global Limited, to share my ideas on structural engineering with other colleagues in the field. Academically, I had my Higher National Diploma and Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering at Osun State College of Technology, SRK, and Kwara State University, Malete. I have engaged in so many project designs and construction, which involve both concrete and steel work. Among them are the Faculty of Arts Building and 1000 Capacity Lecture Theatre at Osun State University, both sponsored by the TED Fund. Also, the Government Secretariat the Osun State Government Secretariat the Osun State Government Central Mosque. The Osun State Government Secretariat Central Mosque, located at Aberi, Osun State Secretariat, funded by the Secretariat Muslim Community. In this course, I will take you through 5 simple steps to design fake truss using a design aids. So let me go straight to the second slide. And as you can see, the first step is to determine the load on the structure. So here you will see the loading combination, and what I will be taking you through in this course is a simple way to determine your dead load from the architectural drawing and BS 5950. Also, you will also learn how to determine the live load on the truss. After the loading condition of the truss, the next thing to do is to analyze for the first and top chord, bottom chord, and web members. Don't forget to do this is either you use joint method or method of section. But what I'm going to take you through is to design for this type of truss, make use of coefficient method. I'm going to give you a simple way to determine coefficient value to multiply by the load on the truss in order to determine the first and top and bottom chord as well as the web members. So don't forget, I will also take you through simple steps on how to use SAP 2021 to design for this type of truss. This is something I'm very excited about because it totally eliminates every rigorous approach to design for truss. And this type of truss, you can make use of it for different span of building. So after that, I will take you through another step to design for the tension force and compressive force using tension and compressive approach. Don't forget, is either our force at each member in compression or tension. So when we have a tension force, I will take you through simple steps to design for tension force using a tension approach, and same thing for the compressive force using a compressive approach. So the other things you will also learn is the connection design of truss. I will take you through step by step on how to use ID Statica software for connection designs. In this software, all you have to do is to choose a template, apply your load and moment, review reports, and import the detailing drawing to DSL file, which you can also open it by AutoCAD software. So finally, I will show you simple step on how to detail your truss as well. So to all what you will get in this class is how to estimate loading manually from the architectural drawing for computer application and manual analysis and designs, how to model, analyze, and design structure using SAP 2000 for SAP 21, how to analyze and design structure using the design aids, how to design and detail foundation, how to professionally detail fabrication drawing, how to validate if computer result is okay or total nonsense, how to prepare professional reports by editing the template, how to understand the general arrangement of steel struts, and finally, how to design connection using ID statistical. All this in high quality recorded video, MS Word, and DWG file to aid your steel structural designs understanding. Please, if you are interested in this class, just click the next button below and subscribe to the class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.